Dear students, this video deals with the topics of article writing which deliver benefits only. So, here in this video, we'll be discussing all the three paras of article writing. How you can begin your first para means introductory para. Let me tell you. Here you tell means what is the thing or the event means you define your thing or the event. Suppose you have a topic electronic cars. So how you can begin with this topic? You can tell that electronic cars are the vehicles which run on electricity or can be recharged with solar energy or any other power supply. Like this, you will define it. You will tell only bright side of this means you will tell only advantages. Like you can tell that it has brought a revolution in the field of human development. Like this, you will complete your introductory para. If you are writing about the midday meal, so how you can write? You can start like midday meals are the meals which are provided to the poor students to give them incentive to go to school. You can further tell that such a revolutionary scheme has a great help to educate the students, especially the poor students who hardly bother for their education when they have empty stomachs. Like this, you can complete your introductory para. Then comes the second para, which will be divided into two parts. In first part, you will be telling the benefits, and in the second part, you will be telling the problems which are coming in its implementation. So here we'll be discussing the benefits of midday meal means in the implementation we'll be discussing the benefits, like what are the benefits of midday meal. We can say that midday meal, this scheme is a source of nutrition means midday meal is a source of nutrition for those who hardly can have on their own, or it is a source of motivation for the poor students to come to schools, and especially for the parents means they have a great help. How? Because they do not have to spend money on the meals of their wards. Like this, we can tell the benefits of a midday meal. Like if we have to tell the problems, the how we can or what we can write the problems in which are coming in its implementation. We can tell because of some greedy people, the due advantages of this scheme are not being taken. Like impurities are being mixed in pure food just to enhance the quantity of a meal or food, or there is irregular power supply of a meal. Like this, we can tell some other problems also to complete your second para. And if you have to write the problems which are coming in case of electronic cars, so how you can write? You can tell that these electronic cars are not cheap means these are very expensive, so these are not in everyone's reach, especially the poor people. Or you can tell that there is lack of awareness among the people about its benefits. Yes, the next comes third para, that is your closing para, your concluding para. Here in this para we tell why making its implementation successful is important. Dear students, here means this concluding para, this closing para should be a light of hope of a promising future means a good future, a bright future. So what lines we can tell to conclude this para? We can tell this is a high time that this policy should be corruption free, so that due advantages could be taken by the poor. Or we can tell like such an advantageous scheme should be in everyone's reach, especially the poor people. So dear students, like this we'll be completing our all the three paras. In next video you will have some lines and phrases to add in your article writing.